yeah, le move kaRelay mina okukhulu kimi namanye ama-youngsters because kuyabonisa ukuthi nothing is impossible, yabo. Yonke into possible, yonke into inesikhathi sayo futhi. That's why mina ngihlala ngijabulela wonke umuntu. Yeah, ngihappy for Relay, angazi ukuthi ngithini but ngihappy. uNkulunkulu abe naye yambusise lezinto lezi lesizibona nathi la each and every week yababonise more la, and ukusuka ku PSL from umntwana encane yaseValley adlala kuPirates yabaya futhi first team promote national team asasemncane manje sekayodlala iChampions League. Now Spain,
I guess it talks more about the patience as well.
Yeah, iKenya ebholweni patience ibalulekile because amalanga awafani yabo, namhlanje ulena kusasulana, so kumele ube patient, uchubeke usebenze kanzima, uvala amadlebe ungamameli abantu ngaphandle.